Hello and welcome to another WordPress tutorial. I came across a website which grab affiliate products data to your WordPress website as following types of article. The website name is keywordrush.com. You can find it, you can find all these five plugins, but you just need to have too much niche plugin and the content egg plugin installed. There are five types of articles. If you go to too much niche plugin, then here is how what five article types are: the product roundups, the product reviews, the product comparison, the informative articles, and how to guides. So these are the five different types. I will show you in details when I import the products in this video. And these type are different post structure, which is very good for SEO and a great user experience as well. Now let me open my WordPress dashboard. I already installed these two plugins. The plugins are the content egg and the too much niche. These both are available here. You can purchase the content egg pro and the too much niche plugin as well. Here is the pricing for the too much niche plugin. I am on this package. You can generate total 100 articles and activate the license up to 3 websites. After installing and activating both of these plugins, you will need to open the Content Egg Pro modules. As I am using the Amazon No API module, so let's go to Amazon No API. There are two necessary things: default local. You can choose your market. I chose US, and default associate tag, which is for US market. You can also add any other affiliate tag for if you choose any other locale like this. And after adding the affiliate ID, just save it. Now go to too much niche. The first step is to add license key for both content egg and the too much niche. So I already completed the first step. I added the license key. Now let's add the niche. My niche for this affiliate website is baby products, and these are my categories, these are my keywords. So let's go to WordPress and type in your niche, baby products, choose the language, choose your module, which is Amazon No API, and click on next. Info articles only create content without affiliate products. Product article include affiliate products. Required content egg pro. So content egg pro will add these affiliate products using your affiliate tag ID. Choose Amazon No API and click next, as we already configured the Amazon No API module. Okay, for generating the articles, I will only have 5 articles per category. So product roundup, product reviews, product comparison, each will have 5 products. And let's scroll down. Now we will add the keywords. The main keyword or article title 1, 2, 3, or 4. You can choose comma separated keywords or just one keyword. Let's copy this. Copy this. Each product type has its own keyword field. So We are doing this for baby product roundups. You can also add a title and click on use as title, so that keywords will act like a title of the product. Okay, now for product reviews, I already got these keywords organized in a CSV. You can also import the keywords from a CSV by clicking on the import button here, or you can use a keyword tool. Okay, the product comparison, let's add some keywords for product comparison. And finally, the how to guides. Click on next. Article size 70% or 100%. You can choose your own. Optimal point of view, first person singular, let's choose none. Tone voice, custom AI instruction, no. Let's click next. Price comparison, enable. YouTube videos, enable. Featured image, main affiliate module. Okay. We will have price comparison and YouTube videos in our article as well. YouTube module is activated. Okay, we do not activate the YouTube module. Let's go to modules. Here, okay, you need the API from Google console. When you add this API key, this module can be used here. So currently we will keep it disabled. Let's choose categories for each of them. So I do not have any category added. You can add the categories and assign to each type of product a separate category. If you go to post categories, you just add 5 different categories, and then you can select them here for each different type of article. Currently let it be uncategorized for all. Click next. Click on send notification when it's done. Start adding the articles. Now it will start generating these articles, 25 in total, 5 articles per post per article type. Okay, all selected 25 items are posted. Each type have 5 articles as we selected. So roundup articles look like this. Let me show you the first one. For roundup, there is the title, thumbnail, and it is SEO friendly. All the H2s, H1s, and images, all tags, all are there. And the featured section have 10 products along with the ratings and the buy now button. The buy now button have its affiliate Amazon tag. So when a visitor click on buy now, it will carry the affiliate tag. So you will have your commission from Amazon. The best for active families with tag and with price and with affiliate URL. The pros and cons, some baby trend range, jogger stroller, another product with rating as well. So this is the roundup. Also, if you scroll to the bottom where the reviews and comments are there, you can see there is a realistic looking thread for comments with your reply. So this is my profile and it's also mentioning my replies all the way to the bottom. Approximately 30 reviews or more may be added. Okay, this was the roundup. Let's open the product review. This is another type. You can also categorize them on your website. So here's the title, the thumbnail, some description, and the best value with some features with progress bars. So 9, 8.5, 9.2, 8. All ratings are mentioned, pros and cons, some introduction with description, images side by side, features, specifications, safety features, some thumbnails again, another product, frequently asked questions, and related products. And finally, the reviews as well. So these are the comments, the threads, similar to the previous one. Okay, next is product versus. We have a title, thumbnail, then we have a side-by-side comparison of two products. Like this is a baby monitor and this is a car seat, convertible car seat. So these two products, the rating, the buy now URLs for both products also have the affiliate link. These are the progress bars, the pros and cons, again buy now URL, then overview, key features, consideration for both products, and the final cards. And finally, the reviews. Now the next type is informative article. This is the fourth type with thumbnail, and there are multiple products, bestseller, editor's choice, must have, and best value with tags. Some information. Now each have their summary, editor's choice, best value, bestseller, and finally the comments. Now the final type is how to guide. The title, thumbnail, And this is the how-to guide. Welcome to the world of baby bathing, and then some description, the bestseller badge, now steps, and each step have these type of products like this shower, this sink, next step, and finally related products and the comments. So these are the 5 types of articles. If you go to the home page, I am using newspaper theme, which I think is best for SEO, and it is also very user friendly. So this is the home page with pagination, some related articles, and a sidebar with search functionality and recent or popular or trending products. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something. If you need subscription, you can just go to the keyword research, go to pricing, plugins, too much niche, and watch this video. It will show you a step-by-step guide how you can add the products to your WordPress website. And if you want to see the pricing, just scroll down, click on get started, and here's the pricing. You can buy the package which suits you the best, and you can start using this. I hope you learned something. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.